Welcome to my Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro review. If you're looking for a reliable blender, the Ninja TB201 might be a good fit. The 1,800 watt motor is powerful and can handle tough ingredients with ease, turning ice into smooth slush for your favorite frozen drinks. The BlendSense technology makes this blender unique because it automatically adjusts the speed and time, so you get a smooth texture every time. Plus, the dial is very user-friendly and shows what mode the blender is in. You'll also love the 72-ounce pitcher. It's ideal for large batches, whether you're making smoothies for the entire family or a party. Another cool feature is the total crushing and chopping blade assembly. This set of blades can crush ice and chop veggies, making it versatile for different recipes. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Just toss the containers, lids, and blades in the top rack, and you're good to go. The strong motor base is designed to handle tough ingredients with ease. You can blend frozen fruits, nuts, and even ice without worrying about the motor getting overwhelmed. This feature is a big plus if you like making thick smoothies or chunky soups. One of the standout features is BlendSense Technology. This smart tech adjusts the speed and time automatically to ensure smooth results. The innovative dial lets you know exactly which mode you're in, making it super user-friendly. No more guesswork. The large pitcher size is perfect for making big batches. Whether you're preparing smoothies for the whole family or party drinks, the 72-ounce capacity means you won't have to make multiple batches. It's great for saving time and effort. These blades crush through ice and chop veggies with precision. If you enjoy making frozen drinks or need finely chopped ingredients for recipes, this blade assembly has got you covered. You'll get consistent and thorough results every time you use it. Using the Ninja TB201 is a breeze. Its auto-sensing feature stands out, adjusting settings on the fly to ensure a smooth blend no matter how tough the ingredients. The 72-ounce pitcher offers plenty of space for large batches, making it ideal for family use or meal prep. Cleaning up is straightforward thanks to the dishwasher-safe parts. No need to worry about scrubbing those sharp blades. While the blender is powerful, some users found it a bit noisy, so keep that in mind if you plan to use it early in the morning. With its simple interface and clear settings, you won't struggle to figure out what button to press. Just load it up, set it, and let it do the work. This blender takes the guesswork out of blending, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced users. Now here are the pros and cons. The 72-ounce pitcher is great for making large batches of smoothies or frozen drinks for everyone. The total crushing and chopping. Blades crush ice perfectly and chop veggies easily. With single-touch chop programs, you can quickly and easily make salsa and other recipes. The variable speed setting in the full-size pitcher gives you control over blending. All containers, lids, and blades are top-rack dishwasher safe. As for the cons, some users find it a bit loud, especially when handling tough ingredients. The large pitcher might be too big if you're only making small batches. While it offers a lot of features, it's not the cheapest option available. If you're on a tight budget, this might be something to think about. Cleaning the Ninja Power Blender Pro is a breeze. Most of its parts, like the pitcher, lid, and blades, are top-rack dishwasher safe. If you prefer hand washing, the wide opening of the 72-ounce pitcher makes it easy to reach all corners. Be careful with the blades as they are very sharp. For quick cleanups, you can fill the pitcher halfway with warm water and a few drops of dish soap. Run the blender for a few seconds to rinse it out. This method works well for loosening stuck-on debris. Regular cleaning helps keep your blender in good shape and ensures it runs smoothly. If you're in the market for a blender that delivers impressive performance, the Ninja TB201 is a solid choice. Its large capacity, 1,800 peak watts of power, and BlendSense technology make it great at handling tough ingredients, ensuring smooth results for your smoothies, shakes, and more. Overall, the Ninja TB201 stands out as a reliable and powerful blender with features that genuinely enhance its ease of use and efficiency. If you want a versatile blender that can tackle just about anything, you won't be disappointed.